do you convert a percentage to a fraction? You convert a percentage to a fraction by replacing the percent sign with the fraction 1 over 100. Then you multiply the number by 1 over 100. Let's look at an example. You want to convert 8% to a fraction. Remember that the percent sign means 1/100th. So you can start by replacing the percent sign with the fraction 1 over 100 and then multiplying it by 8. 8 times 1 over 100 equals 8/100ths. Remember to always check if the fraction can be reduced. 8 and 100 have the common factor of 4. So you can divide both the numerator and denominator by 4 separately. In the numerator, you get 8 divided by 4, which is 2, and in the denominator, you get 100 divided by 4, which equals 25. That means 8% is the same as the fraction 2/25ths. Let's look at another example. You want to convert 135% to a fraction. First, you change the percent sign to the fraction 1/100th. Then multiply 135 by 1 over 100, which equals 135 over 100. 5 is a common factor for both 135 and 100, so you can divide both the numerator and denominator by 5 separately. 135 divided by 5 is 27, and 100 divided by 5 is 20. That means that 135% is the same as the fraction 27/20ths. To convert a percentage to a fraction, you replace the percentage sign with the fraction 1 over 100. Then multiply the number by 1 over 100.